This project, you know, it was Fran and I. Fran was my partner in crime throughout this project. Without Fran, this wouldn't have happened.
Woo!
We're not the only people that feel like Nate needs representation in our club indefinitely. He needs to be here always with us. So this spirit, Nate's spirit, we've done our best to put in this canoe.
The name Talauega is what you would say every time you step into this canoe. Join hands, get your spirit and your energy together, allow them to go all the way. Circle it up.
It's time to learn how to do it my way, my way.
No kamea, no ke apuni, me ke mana, me ke honani, a mauloa, aku, a mene.
Like it's a game. They have me drowning in the rule books, but no two books would agree. I'm dazed. I'm just trying to figure out my way, my way, my way. I'm just looking at the world, trying to find my place, my place.
We are paddlers. Old, young, fat, skinny, beautiful, ugly, intelligent, or not, we come together 4 to 5 months a year of some fun. Mahalo, my brothers and sisters. Coach Nader.
I got to learn how to do it my way, my way. I always know how to play it safe, safe. Care way too much about what they'll say.
We love what we do. We're a unique bunch of individuals that love the ocean, love the paddle canoes, love the big swell out there, and we like to invite anybody who has any bit of curiosity on what it takes to paddle an outrigger canoe, or if you love the water, to come on down and give it a try.